Hi there, and welcome to my course about personal branding. Nice to meet you. My name is Jonas Victoria Sherman, and I'm the Managing Director of Velgard Media Ltd, a UK-based marketing and community management agency specialized on the video games industry. I'm also an award-winning public speaker and Toastmaster, as well as part-time Twitch affiliate, because I really like the environment of Twitch and the content creation style that I can do on there. But I'm not here to tell you that. I'm here to tell you why I'm the right person to help you learn about personal branding and why personal branding is necessary for you, which is something that we will be explaining along the road of this course. But who actually am I, rather than the things that I've already told you? I have been a community manager and marketing manager for the past 6 years in the games industry, and I've worked for companies like Gameforge, Google, EA, and right now Gigabyte Aorus, for whom I'm handling all their marketing and community management in the UK and Ireland. And I've been doing this for a long time now. So with my help, you will be able to learn how to use personal branding for yourself and make the best version of yourself visible on the internet so that people can find you, people can interact with you, and you will have a lot of success. That's what we're setting you up for here. You can find me as CM_Velgard literally anywhere on the internet, be that Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. It's all the same. Why? That is something I will be explaining later throughout the course. For now, I hope you enjoyed this, and stay tuned for the next lecture, in which I will also be explaining what lecture actually means in terms of this course. Until then, stay tuned.